Hello traders, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 6 of using 50,000 capitals for 50 trading days. So in the today's market morning we saw flat opening and then we saw huge fall in the first 5 minutes candle itself. And then we had seen in the last weekly ahead analysis that 19,000 for 500 and 480 around we will find some support. That's what we had discussed. And that's with that logic itself I was, if you see in the morning, first 3 minutes, first three candles were kind of like, after one big candle we saw a slight consolidation over here. It was taking resistance around like 530 to 540 zones. So multiple times we saw that. And then what I did is like I had a support which was formed on last Thursday monthly expiry. So I entered with two lots initially. Let me show you like what was my logic behind this. Like from here we might get a bounce. That's what was my logic, and I made an entry with only two lots. I will show you the order history. How did I make entry and at what instances where I bought it. So the one you are here, you are seeing the 19,600 C call, three lots. This actually is like overnight I had in a call sell position. Let me show you the my portfolio for the position which I held on Friday evening, so before closing. So this is the position which I had. I had sold three lots with an average price of 104, and these loss was around like 1700. Early morning we saw crackdown in the Nifty, hence I closed it around 55 rupees with 55 rupees as a trailing stop loss. This is irrespective of this challenge. So coming to today's trade, like at 9:40 I bought around two lots of 19,500 C at an average price of 86 rupees. And then I saw there was a slight consolidation, and even this price went up to 96 to 99 rupees. That's what it went around. So then I wanted to hold it. Like I was intending that the price will go around 19,550, as we had seen support in the Nifty around 19,500. So then we saw, then again Nifty went below 19,400 500 until 19,470 odd. I started accumulating few lots. I bought around 100 in the multiple of 100. Overall I had 400 quantities with around eight lots, and my average was coming around like 80 rupees. So if you consider 80 rupees, the capital that I used for this one is around 400 into 80 rupees. If you assume it is around 32 rupees, 32,000 for this trade I had used. So then when I saw a bounce back in the Nifty till this candle, actually if you see, in this I saw a big candle around 10-15 candle, and then I saw a slight consolidation because I thought there will be a resistance happening, because we had seen a consolidation zone in the morning of half an hour. So that's where I thought like it will take resistance, and then I put a trailing SL around in 86 rupees, and then it got triggered. However, this premium went up again till 95 rupees. So it's fine, because the next candle what we saw here was a big candle, and again it went till 19,528. So that was with respect to the first trade which I took. I used around 32,000 capital, and the one which I made, the profit which I made from that trade was around 90,500 call. If you see here, 19,500 call, the first trade over here. If you see, I made around 22,000 rupees from this first trade. And then however in the next trade, what I did is like I saw that Nifty had taken resistance around this zone. Let me show you the. So this was the zone where Nifty had taken the rejection early morning also, and there from there we had seen a crackdown. So what I did is like at 10:30, if you, I'll show you my position, order history over here. So if you see here, after this trade, I waited that like Nifty would take resistance at 90,530 odd levels. So then what I did, I made an entry with 200 quantity with a four lots, with only four lots around 83 rupees as my average price. I had only one order which I had taken, and then I exited around at 95 rupees in hardly like 7 minutes. So for this trade, I took only 7 minutes for to complete this. However, in the first trade, if you see over here, it was around 20-25 minutes trade, because there was a slight consolidation around 48 of 19,480 to 19,500. So hence the momentum was not coming. However, if you see, I made an exit at 10:37, because let me take you to the chart over here. See, I made an exact entry at this candle, 10:30 candle, and then I exited around this candle. However, in this, we had seen a rejection at this point, and then I kept as a trailing SL. So I was able to make in this trade of 19,500 P. So 19,500 P, I was able to make around 2,200 rupees, 300 rupees. So cumulatively, if I add these two, the overall profit with the 50K challenge comes around like for 4,000 rupees for this 2 days trade. So the coming to the capital that I use for the second trade is almost like 200 into 83.55. So the overall capital that I used for the second trade was 16,000. So that's it for this today's video, and we'll update you about the day 7, which trades I'll be taking, and let you know in the upcoming video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.